Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hello.
Today we are very excited for the very special edition of the Budget Box. I'm officially in my birthday era box because p.louise had her birthday in, I guess, March. This is the March box. So this is very cool, we're excited. Look at how cute the box is.
It's adorable. It has confetti all over it, little whisk.
And it's kind of like a giant birthday cake.
Close your eyes and make a wish. So it's totally birthday themed.
It's awesome. We're very excited.
Oh, the box is so cute.
It's huge. It's a big box. We did get a preview of this box, so we know some of the stuff that's in here. I've forgotten some of the stuff that's in here, but it's a giant box and it's heavy, so it feels like it's really full. So I'm very excited.
Let's look what's inside. All this cool stuff.
This is a very full, heavy box. As we're going through this box, if you guys enjoy these products and like this video, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up. If you do like this video and want to see more from my channel, you can hit subscribe and join my YouTube family, and I would love that. And you can always set notifications to not miss out on future uploads. Krista's going to show you our first thing, and I'm going to show you the second thing.
So look, it's a whisk. It looks for her birthday theme, and it says Whiskey Business.
Whiskey Business, that's
cute. Cute. It looks like it has whipped cream and sprinkles, and then you open it up, and it's an eye brush set with the softest eye brushes for eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, what a perfect compliment. You can't go. I mean, her brushes are some of the best brushes we've ever seen.
So it came with a packing brush. It looks like a small blending brush and a large blending brush. These are really nice, and do they say on here?
I think these are, it's not even.
No, it just says p.louise and it has a number. So.
Yeah, so like this could be eyeshadow and packing and contouring and blending.
Very fun. So that is actually kind of a clue of what the big thing is in the box. The next thing we have is actually 3 more products. These are lip bases, and we got 3 shades. We got kind of a neutral peachy, a mid-tone of kind of a not taupey, of like a pinky color, and then we have a brown base. So these are going to be ones that you can either use alone or you can blend them with other colors, but these are really cool. So these are the Achieve the Perfect Palette lip bases. Very fun. So we got 3 of those. So far 4 products in our box.
Yes.
Krista's going to show you the big one.
Bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. Sprinkle of wishes. Look.
Oh, look at the confetti. It's like cake sprinkles.
Like cake sprinkles. And when I use this palette, I'm going to be twisting it and shaking it a lot because
why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you? I love sprinkles. And
it's
then
so cute.
Look at the first. Now look at these colors, lady.
Oh, so pretty.
Look at these colors, people. The beautiful teals and seafoam greens and purples.
Gorgeous.
And neutral colors and golds and berries.
There's shimmers and mattes.
Shimmers and mattes, and then some color shifting.
Shapeshifters.
Color shifting. And not to be outdone,
there's more.
It's a 2-drawer palette. I love her 2-drawer palettes. They just are so much fun to use. And these are the colors in the bottom tray. You have beautiful pinks and neutrals and golds and chocolates. Look at those colors. Oh,
so pretty.
These are going to make some beautiful, beautiful looks.
These are amazing.
I'm going to look at this gorgeous glitter, purpley lavender, silver glitter on top. I'm going to be using these.
And the pans are impressed with different images, probably that are special to her. There's some that are just specific to birthdays.
Yeah, they're like cupcakes and presents,
paw prints,
and hearts. So there's lots of fun imprints in here.
Very fun
on each palette. So
this one's really cool, and this one is again the March box. You can't still order this one, but we did get a preview of what is the April box that we'll get in May, and it's amazing. It's so good. We actually ordered a second single box so we can each have our own.
We had to have our own of everything.
We've never done that. We've always, as many boxes as we've gotten, we've always been able to each pick our favorite stuff out of it, and some stuff we do share, but most often we actually will get separate stuff out of the boxes.
Yeah, exactly.
This is the first one that, as we watched the spoiler on her Instagram, it was like we both wanted each thing. So we're like, okay, we got to get it in the box.
At first we were like, oh, I'm sure we can share it. And as it went on, it's like, no, I really want everything in the box.
We did.
And
we
it's a
definitely
fun
did.
theme. So you really should go to the website and check it out.
You can actually see all the items that are in that box on the website if you check it
Yeah.
out, and you will see both the monthly subscription and the standalone just one-time purchase
Yeah.
box. The one-time purchase is more. You can.
Which is what we did.
That's what we
one.
did because we already have a subscription, so we had to get a standalone. But if you just want the one box and you do want to just subscribe, you can cancel after and save a little bit on it. But it's well worth it.
Well
You're gonna
worth
love
it.
So definitely watch our video
Yes.
next month on that one. We're very excited. Oh, we love p.louise. These
Yes,
are going to
we
be
do.
so fun. In this box, this was such a creative
If you
journey.
think about a double layered, gorgeous palette with
And this is hard, you
sprinkles.
guys.
Yeah, hard.
This is like jewelry
Like
box
jewelry
quality.
box quality. It's a cute p.louise heart that you could lift up to get inside of it. And it like is heavy so it settles down. And then you got
Yeah.
the lip bases and these beautiful eyeshadow brush set to go with the eyeshadow
They're
palette.
amazing.
A wonderful, wonderful box. Thank you.
We love it. Thank you guys for joining us today, going through this fun p.louise box. We absolutely loved it. We
Yes.
hope you did too. For now, we hope you have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.